What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
Whatever the time of day, Mr. Wolf and Little Wolf were always hungry. What can they eat? What will satisfy their hunger? Could it be you? Lots of snappy fun as we learn to tell the time in this fantastic finger puppet book. 하루 종일 몇 시가 되었든지 울프 아저씨와 작은 울프는 항상 배가 고팠어요. 무얼 먹어야 배가 고프지 않을 수 있을까요? 혹시 여러분들을 먹어야 하는 건 아닐까요? 정말 재밌는 손가락 인형이 있는 이 책과 함께하는 여행 지금 떠나볼까요?
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 7 o'clock. Time to get up. I'm so hungry.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 8 o'clock. Time for breakfast. But I'm still hungry.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 9 o'clock. Time to brush my sharp teeth.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 10 o'clock. Time to get dressed. Look at me. I must eat more.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 11 o'clock. Time for play school. I'll pick you up for lunch. Yum, yum.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 12 o'clock. Time for lunch. But I'm still very, very hungry.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 1 o'clock. Time for a nap. Sweet dreams.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 2 o'clock. Time to read a book.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 3 o'clock. Time to clean the dining room.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 4 o'clock. Time to fetch the tablecloth.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's 5 o'clock. Time to set the table.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf?
It's dinner time.